Hi folks, Colin Tyler here at Woodridge Ford, and today we're going to do one of our first requested videos, and that's going to be to take a look at the hands-free liftgate found on Ford and Lincoln vehicles. Now, some of you have said you've been having problems opening it, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look, see if we can't help you figure out how to get this thing working. First things first, when it comes to our liftgate, how it works is you've got in here either a sensor strip or sensor module that's located just up in here depending on the shape. Now this is also going to vary depending on if you have a trailer tow package. If it's a trailer tow package, you're going to have it on either side rather than in the middle. This is really good information to have because knowing where your sensor bar is going to help where you put your foot. Next thing we're going to quickly touch on is proper movement. Now, when it comes to this liftgate, a lot of people, their first thought is start getting the can going, get that leg right up into the air. So we obviously don't need to do that. Make sure, one, if you can find your key, it's in one of these pockets. Wrong keys. There we are. You have your key, make sure it's detectable by the car. If you got it in a thick bag, a lot of interference, this is going to stop. Remember, it's sensing for that module there to make sure you have your key close. This way, you don't want to be halfway down the block with a squirrel running, triggering your liftgate. Could happen. Never trust a squirrel. But yeah, key, front pocket, hands free. You're just going to go up and soft forward movement, and it opens. As I said, you don't need that big kick. It's sending that beam right down to the ground, and it's detecting whether your foot has crossed it and come out. So you want, again, nice up, soft movement. You're gonna hear the beep, and it's gonna come down. So if you have, of course, on a one with the trailer, my best advice here, look for these two sensors right there. You're gonna aim your foot between the center and the sensor, boom, and take a step back. Just as simple as that. Another big factor, you're gonna hear people say about using either a kick or swipe motion. Kick motion is gonna work best because again, it's detecting it and it's looking for that movement. You can do the swipe motion, but it's relying on your foot to come out before. If you do the motion a bit too fast, it may not register. So we do a quick kick, nothing. Oh, this one's being friendly. I was about to say, there you go, folks. A first on video, a tailgate that always opens for you. But yeah, so if you go too slow or too fast, you keep it under too long, it is not gonna open. Hopefully this has been a bit informative of how to get that tailgate to work for you on the first try, every try. And need more information? Comment section down below. As always, stay safe. You know what to do. woodridgeford.com, like, subscribe, you know the rest. Take care.